muted like sky. Pages blur as thoughts collide, lost in words where dreams reside. Raindrops tap on window panes, echo soft like whispered names. Fingers trace the book's worn spine. Time expands then slips the line. Let the day melt, let it flow. Gentle rhythms take the glow. Sink in softly, let it spin. A world of quiet waits within. Clock can sway in steady grooves, a distant hum, a life that moves. Candle flicker, shadows play as dusk replaces weary day. Half-drawn notes, they drift, they gleam, floating through this sleepless dream. Broken sketchbooks